Hey, this is John from Two Doves Bees and Gardens. Today, we could deal with the monster behind me. We're gonna do a dividing this canna here. It's overgrown, or I guess just filled up this pot. That's a fairly large pot. I don't even know if you can see it. But we're gonna do some division on it, separate it into some more individual cannas. It's beautiful when it grows. We have some anals that like to live in there, little lizards. They're probably about like that big, that live in here. But we'll give them a new home. So hang on. We're gonna be busy today. The first thing we're gonna do is give this thing a haircut before we tip it on its side and take it out. Sarah's got the trimmers, trimming it up. You might hear some background noise. We're right near the pool equipment, right outside the house. Anyway, we'll take some more videos as we progress. Making good progress on the canna. You can see it's got a lot of plants down there. It's going to be much happier being separated. It's almost done with its haircut. Well, we managed to get the canna extracted from the pot. That was not an easy thing. It's a pretty big pot. You can see by how big that root ball is there. We actually found a little lizard that was living in there over winter. We'll give him a new home. Anyway, back at it. Well, it's the next morning with these canna plants, cannas that we divided. Here's what's left in the red pot, what we transplanted back from the original monster. There's what's left of the root ball. I'm going to be taking that and probably using that dirt somewhere else. And then we also created several new canna pots that we'll probably be selling these. These are yellow cannas. Obviously they need some water. And we'll make those available to some people. We normally have some sales that we do, different plants that we make available. I like to give my neighbors plants, especially if they're good for bees. Anyway, this has been John Two Doves Bees and Gardens, and Sarah, she's inside for this morning. You know, one of the ideas that we've been playing with is doing a plant yard sale, and we've been collecting some plants and propagating some things, and we're probably going to do a plant yard sale sometime this spring when things start greening up a little more, and the cannas will be part of that. I love sharing plants, and we take some of the money that we make on the plant yard sale, and we'll put those towards pots and dirt and soil and use them for the garden. Anyway, hope you have an awesome day. This has been John at Two Doves Bees and Gardens.